Buonasera, Grazia. Tu vieni
Buonasera, da Oliena.
da Oliena e ci presenti?
Un brano di Marilyn Monroe che si chiama My Heart Belongs to Daddy.
Sì, ho capito tutto. Grazia, Pulighedu.
Grazie. While tearing off a game of golf, I may make a play for the caddy, but when I do, I don't follow through, 'cause my heart belongs to Daddy. If I invite a boy some night to dine on my fat feet and heady, I just adore. He's asking for more, but my heart belongs to Daddy. Yeah, my heart belongs to Daddy. So simply couldn't be bad. Yeah, my heart belongs to Daddy. Da 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 da. So I want to want your landing, though I know that you're perfectly swell. That my heart belongs to Daddy, 'cause my daddy, he treats it so. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-dee-da. Ba-dee-da, ba-dee-da, ba-dee-da-dee-da. While tearing off a game of golf, I may make a play for the caddy, but when I do, I don't follow through. Sugar-doo-doo, Daddy. If I invite a boy some night to cook up a fine enchilada, the Spanish rice is all very nice. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-da-da. Yes, my heart belongs to my daddy. So simply couldn't be bad. Yes, my heart belongs to my daddy. Da 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 da. So I want to want your lady, though I know you're perfectly swell. That my heart belongs to my daddy. 'Cause daddy, my daddy, that little one that he treats it so. That little old man who just treats it so good.
Brava, Grazia.